Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install Xampp on Windows 10. By the end, you'll have a local web server running for your projects. Xampp is a free and open source tool that bundles Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and perfect for testing websites or apps locally. First, open your web browser and search for Xampp. Click the link to the official Apache Friends website. Always download from the trusted source to avoid problems. On the download page, select the Windows version. The site usually detects your operating system automatically, so you can just click the Windows installer button. The installer is fairly large, so the download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Be patient and let it finish completely. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If a security prompt appears, click Yes to allow changes. This is a normal Windows step. The setup wizard will open. Here you can choose which components to install, but for most people, the default settings are perfect. Click Next until the installation begins. When the installation completes, launch the Xampp control panel. From here, you can start Apache and MySQL with a single click. Your local web server is now ready, and that's it. You've successfully installed Xampp on Windows 10. Now you're ready to build and test websites locally. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech guides.